Hello everyone, I'm Karish Daniku, the Country Director for Ghanaian-Diaspora National Alliance GDNA, and I've got some big news for you. GDNA is committed to returning to Africa, not just in presence, but in purpose, strengthening healthcare and education to uplift lives, to build more healthier and empowered future. It's time to connect, lead and innovate the change Mama Africa needs. Don't just talk about it, be the voice of it.
We are inviting you all to come for our upcoming conference.
Whether you are a nurse,
Health worker,
policymaker,
a midwife,
student,
a health specialist,
an advocate, this is the right conference you ought to be.
It is not just a conference.
It is a movement, one which is rooted with rich innovations, culture, and great connection. And it is themed Voices of Change, changing the future of African healthcare.
Where are you located? Are you in Ghana, Nigeria,
From London,
USA,
Tunis,
Canada,
Tokyo,
Togo, wherever you find yourself, please register.
we'll have powerful speakers, hands-on training, and a community with diverse intellect to impact your stay in Accra. So the venue is right here in Kempinski, Accra, Ghana.
And the date is from 2nd to 4th January 2026. GDNA, Ghana in our DNA. GDNA, Africa in our DNA. See you.